Now we're gonna go visit our friend Kermit the Frog and just kind of relax for a little bit. The line for Rise of the Resistance is slowly decreasing. I think now it's a 105-minute wait, but it was all the way up to like 140-minute wait. So we're gonna try to ride that today. They haven't made it available to where you can buy the premiere access for it, or else we would have done that. But we're gonna just kind of take it slow because it's very busy here today. And there's so much to do and I'm scared we're not gonna be able to do it all, but we'll see.
We've done pretty much all of it before.
We've done it all before, but there are some things we've never done, which I have anxiety like, I gotta do it while we're here. So we're gonna just keep an eye on the Rise of the Resistance and then just kind of wing it and roll with the punches today. Now we're gonna go see little Kermit the Frog.
Hey, what's my friend?
What are we going to see in here anyway?
It's one of those 3D movies. Put on your glasses, Dandler.
Yeah. Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask!
That's not a mask.
Oh, sorry, lady! Canto!
Look at this smorgasbord. We got a chicken salad. Evan got a adult juice. And then we ordered the Wookiee cookie. It looks super cute. It looks like it's gonna be like an oatmeal cream pie, so I'm really excited for that. So overall, I think we spent about $27 on our snack.
Yeah.
I mean,
sharing is
sharing
the way we're doing it.
We shared breakfast, now we're sharing this, and then we're gonna have dinner at the Sci-Fi Diner. Where
we are doing prime time another day. Right?
Yeah, we are doing prime time another day, but today we're doing Sci-Fi Diner. Oh, and I forgot to say we are eating at the Backlot Express. We're gonna taste it, see what you think, babe.
Oh, big bite.
Give it a taste. That's cute. How is it?
Definitely fits the Santa Fe theme.
The Southwest, you taste the Southwest in the salad? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, I know what you mean. It's pretty spicy. So here's our Wookiee cookie, and it just looks fabulous.
Oatmeal and cream.
Yeah, and then the cute little chocolate on top, so we're gonna give it a try. I don't have much cream on my bite, but...
Mine came out pretty good. Good crumble.
It gets better.
Good crumble, yeah.
It gets better as you chew it.
I like it.
I wouldn't say that it tastes like a oatmeal cream pie because the cookie part is hard. It's not like squishy. It's not a bad little treat to have today.
Join me. Beside me.
Yes.
Is it true that you have aided the escape of a fugitive rebel spy?
Not us. No.
Let me be clear. Your implication in this act of betrayal would be most unfortunate.
I agree.
Quickly.
Yes.
You may take your leave. Our paths will cross again.
It will.
Thank you. What did you think of meeting Darth Vader?
It was intimidating.
It was intimidating. Yeah, he's a no-nonsense kind of guy.
Yeah.
So now who are we going to see?
Chewbacca.
The complete opposite, the sweet little Chewbacca. I shouldn't say little, he's huge. oh, maybe it is him. Come in, okay.
Come on in. Okay, travelers, I can take that for you.
Hi, Chewy.
Hey, Chewy.
It's so good to see you. Oh, yeah, baby. I got a little lopsided there. Thank you.
Come on in. How do they look, Chewy?
Good.
Oh, you want to move over just a little bit this way? Keep moving. Perfect.
Look at that blue sky. So pretty.
Wow, alright. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute. Yeah.
What are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at the show.
Alright, what'd you think?
It was great.
Yeah, my hair doesn't look as like flown back as I thought it was. That was really fun. And Lightning Lane really paid off. We waited like, what, 5 minutes? We really got right on. We walked through the line and got right on. So there's kind of that benefit to doing Lightning Lane, even though it is expensive. It was still nice. Now we're headed to do our next Fast Pass for Toy Story Mania, and it's a rematch. I'm gonna really focus this time and try to whoop him. I never have. Ever. But this time will be the time. Alright, how do we do? Oh my gosh, I was so freaking close! I didn't win. I'm so mad.
Very close on that. Very close.
I was whooping him for the first 3 rounds. So we had a rocky start to our Toy Story Mania. I tripped up the stairs and then like less than 5 minutes later Evan's water bottle falls out of our backpack and just bounces really hard down the stairs. It didn't break, but it was loud. Everyone turned and was like, what the heck? So yeah, that happened right before we started the game. At Sci-Fi Diner, and we got our own car.
We did.
We're driving. Actually, technically, you would be driving. Okay, so Evan got the orange blossom.
Yep.
Awesome blossom. We got a Oreo milkshake that looks really yummy.
Who else is getting?
Very good.
Checks. Is that okay?
Very milkshakes.
So just choose 2 cheesecakes all day. Gotcha.
I love milkshakes.
Our onion rings came.
That's pretty good.
Our burger came. Looks really yummy. So Rise of the Resistance is closed again.
Yeah, apparently that happens a lot.
Yeah. You look ready for battle. How much is that? $80. I think it's open back up. We're hurrying. Super long lines. did it. We're in line. I don't know everything.
This just might have happened organically.
Yeah, they just, a lot of people just rushed over to the ride, so we just followed. Like,
Initiate sequence on deck 3 for Picard. Black Leader, are you and your team ready? Affirmative. Engines are hot. Raise the shields. We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Get out of there. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in. I'll go get some friends and make us a fair fight.
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Yeah.
we're on.
I think Darth Vader might work. Because he wouldn't be alive at this time.
Darth Vader, he comes around the corner.
Yeah.
He said what?
He said what?
Let's go all the way down.
How many? It's very important that when you get inside this cell that you remember this color so your interrogation will go smoothly. And you do want your interrogation to go smoothly, don't you? Good. Cargo on your shoulders, into backpacks and purses. Take them off your shoulders and hold them in your hand. So we can inspect, go ahead, take it off. So we can inspect it for resistance contraband.
I don't even remember what we're supposed to not tell him.
You don't need to know.
I know, but I don't know where it is. You can torture me, but I don't know.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
It looks important.
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Rogue droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Go to the printer. Your cover is blown. Find your way out. Pick these two droids anyway. Priority alert. Detection must There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits! Escape pods destroyed! This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence. Calculon! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits.
Lieutenant back here.
Back. You're alive.
I should hope so.
Evan is trying blue milk with rum.
Tasty.
What's it taste like? Describe it.
Well, I overheard that it has coconut, which I'd taste it.
You can taste coconut?
Yeah.
I've never had it, so I want to try it. It's very thick. I don't think I'm going to like it, but I'm just making a prediction. Interesting. Interesting. I was expecting dairy, like milk, you know. Definitely not. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. So we made it back to the room. It's 8:30 now. Overall, what was your favorite thing that we did today?
Well, we did do Rise of the Resistance, but
We did do Rise of the Resistance, and I want to do it again. So hopefully the next time we go to Hollywood, we're able to do it again. And we got really lucky that we waited outside. It was closed, you know, for like a good hour. And like we were hanging out around that area, and then we saw just everyone just rushing to the entrance to get in line. So we're like, let's go follow them. We figured they knew where they were going. And so we got in line, and we only waited for like 45 minutes. But yeah, Rise of the Resistance was fun. I really liked Rockin Rollercoaster. That was really fun. We saw a lot more characters today out and about than I have ever in the past. Like Goofy was hanging out in the queue for Tower of Terror. Tomorrow we are at Magic Kingdom, and tomorrow we have our Halloween party. Yeah. And we're dressing up, and it's gonna be a good time. All right, so we're gonna say goodnight. Thanks for watching.
bye.